Alright, let's dive into the automotive abyss and find out why certain cars might just be more trouble than they're worth, all while trying not to crash into the wall of despair. Buckle up. We're taking a humorous spin through the world of cars that mechanics secretly nicknamed the nightmares on wheels. Nissan Rogue, the highway Rogue. The Nissan Rogue, a car so adventurous it finds new ways to break down on every trip. Imagine a car with a rebellious streak wider than its lane on the highway. Mechanics often see this one so much they've started charging it rent for the repair shop. The Rogue promises to keep your adrenaline pumping, not from excitement, but from wondering if you'll make it to your destination without a tow truck. Infiniti QX50, the engine eater. Then we have the Infiniti QX50, an SUV that's as luxurious as a 5-star hotel, but with the reliability of a 1-star review. The engine has a bigger appetite for self-destruction than a kid in a candy store. It's the perfect car for those who enjoy long walks, especially after it breaks down miles away from civilization. Ford Bronco Sport, the spontaneous campfire. The Ford Bronco Sport, rugged and ready for the outdoors, right up until it decides to start a campfire under the hood. It's like buying a BBQ grill, but with wheels and a steering wheel. If you love the smell of burning metal in the morning, this might be your dream car. Just make sure your camping gear includes a fire extinguisher. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, the flaming surprise. Moving on to the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. It's eco-friendly, family-friendly, but not so garage-friendly, unless you like your garage extra crispy. It's like having a dragon in the family, but instead of hoarding gold, it just burns through your savings. Jeep's 4xe hybrid models promise adventure but deliver more drama than a season finale of your favorite show, especially in cold weather. It's like that friend who says they love winter camping but spends the night crying in the tent. Good for a hybrid experience if part of that experience is calling roadside assistance in a blizzard. Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, the twin titans of towing, unless we're talking about their own parts. With lifter and engine failures so common, owning one is like having a pet rock. It doesn't move much, and when it does, it's probably downhill. Finally, we have the mixed bag. GMC Tahoe, Chevy Cruze, more Chrysler Pacificas, Dodge Chrysler minivans, Dodge Dart, Nissan Rogue again, Sentra, and the Mini Cooper. This group is like a box of chocolates, where every piece is a different flavor of disappointment. From engine fires to lifter failures and the ever-popular electronic gremlins, these cars keep life interesting and mechanics in business. So, if you're in the market for a new car and you hate boredom, these models might just be your ticket to excitement. Or you could save yourself some headaches and pick something a little more reliable, like a horse or a Toyota.